Tesla's Elon Musk talks final Cybertruck design, giving us a new update on new features of Cybertruck and new feature that possibly boosts agility. He has now confirmed that the Tesla Cybertruck will be equipped with four-wheel directional steering, resulting in a feature similar to the Hammer EV's crab mode. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla Cybertruck EV and Gigaberlin news, and like this video if you find it informative. It's a few days later than expected, but Elon Musk appears to have stayed true to his word, posting some pertinent updates about Tesla Cybertruck's production version. As per the CEO of Tesla, the production version of the electric pickup Cybertruck would be familiar to those who have followed the vehicle since its unveiling, but it would have a pretty cool new feature that would significantly boost its agility, says Simon Alvarez of Tesla Radi. While responding to a post by the Tesla owners online group on Twitter, Musk mentioned that Fridays are typically Tesla studio design time for him. He also stated that the final version of the Cybertruck will be almost exactly the same as what was unveiled back in November 2019. This was not much of a surprise, considering that Musk has only mentioned slight possible changes to the vehicle in the past, such as minor size reduction. This is what exactly he wrote on Twitter. Friday afternoons are usually Tesla design studio time. Cybertruck will be almost exactly what was shown. We're adding rear wheel steering so it can do tight turns and maneuver with high agility. Lots of other great things coming. Simon Alvarez from Tesla Radi notes that interestingly enough, Musk actually specified one of the new features that the Cybertruck's final iteration would have. According to the CEO, the vehicle would have rear wheel steering capabilities, which should allow the Cybertruck to perform tight turns and maneuver through tricky terrains with high agility. Such a feature would be incredibly useful, says Alvarez, especially among those who are fond of taking their pickups on adventures. Musk also mentioned lots of other great things that are coming, though through whether this statement was the Cybertrucks alone was unclear. Being a large truck, it is pertinent for the Cybertruck to be as maneuverable as possible. Together with its dynamic air suspension feature, the Cybertruck's four-wheel steering could help the vehicle in events such as Baja, which Elon Musk has hinted at the past. The Baja 500 and Baja 1000 are extremely endurance races across the literal desert, so the Cybertruck would have to be nimble and capable just to finish the event in one piece. The Tesla Cybertruck has already received a Baja challenge from Geekenhaus, whose hydrogen-powered boot has already finished the 1,000-mile race. Over the last year, Musk has been talking about Tesla unveiling an updated version of the Cybertruck ahead of the start of production, which is still officially planned for later this year. The CEO has talked about Tesla updating the Cybertruck's adaptive air suspension. They also talk about making the truck smaller, but Musk scrapped that plan after a design review back in May of 2020. While the automaker scrapped plans for a smaller Cybertruck for the time being, some slight modifications to the design and dimensions are expected. More recently, he has been saying that the production will look almost exactly the same as the prototype unveiled back in 2019, and he has also missed some timelines to unveil the updated version. Not unlike a crab walking on its side that Hammer EV has, a four-wheel steering system that enables it to move diagonally in a straight line. The GMC described the future like this. The super truck's industry-leading crab mode feature is enabled by the GMC Hammer EV's four-wheel steering capability, allowing it to move in a diagonal direction, functionality that is tailor-made for off-road customers. Recently, we have seen a beat-up GMC Hummer EV prototype, it's crab walking in traffic. It's impressive. Now it sounds like Tesla's own electric pickup truck is going to have the same or similar future. As Tesla becomes a more mainstream car maker, the company has started achieving accolades worthy of only the best automakers in the world. Just recently, for example, Tesla's most powerful production car today, the Model S Plaid, conquered one of America's deadliest races in the form of 2021 Pikes Peak hill climb with the help of legendary racer Randy Pops, who personally helped Tesla develop the Model 3 Performance's track mode, as well as Tesla Tuning House Unplugged performance. The Model S Plaid dominated the 2020 Pikes Peak hill climb exhibition class. The Tesla Cybertruck is expected to start initial deliveries later this year, though this is dependent on Gigafactory Texas progress. So far, however, it appears that Giga Texas construction is going well, which means that at least the first batches of the Cybertruck may actually be delivered to customers' hands before the end of this year. Friends, I see some interesting comments on social media about Elon Musk's latest update on Cybertruck. Clara Smith comments on Teslarati saying, when Cybertruck was revealed back in November 2019, Elon was understandably unsure of how it would be received by the public. He even said that it was spurned. He would design a more conventional looking pickup if it was spurned. It turned out that more than enough people love Cybertruck, and it's been put it on the fast track development roadmap at Tesla, including its own piece of brand new factory. I imagine that the early design exercise focused on only the most notable aspects of this radical vehicle. Now that the design team knows it's for real, some serious consideration is being given to its design that will make it even better than the prototype. Another user named Alex B writes, I have found myself in a few tight spots in the past on off-road adventures. Most were avoidable, so while a more maneuverable vehicle may have been better, I wouldn't sacrifice mechanical simplicity with all of its benefits of the ability to turn in tight areas. If anything, suspension with wider range of adjustability would be better. But like people point out, customer base has all kinds of diverse needs and wants. Somebody may find rear wheel steering useful and or cool. I just wish they weren't making design changes so close to supposed delivery time frame. Reading between the lines though, sounds like they have no intention of starting to ship it just 3-4 months from now as planned. Some people may think that Tesla is copying GM here, giving consumers more choices. And sometimes they actually improve on the idea and the original company copies the improvement. This is how things get better. But to be fair, companies rarely copy each other. The product you're buying is essentially the same because the engineering challenge must be solved using the same laws of physics. A car is a car is a car. From a practical perspective, getting from A to B in a car is not a significantly different challenge for anyone in the industry, nor do they solve it in a significantly different manner. Most technology breakthroughs happen in university research centers years, if not decades, ahead of actually hitting production. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are on the Cybertruck's new update from Elon Musk. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon.